Hey guys, this is a Canon Pixma TS8020 printer. Let's remove a print head on here. I'll show you how to do that. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. What you'll do is make sure the printer is turned on. We have a home screen here. Lift the top cover and press and hold the stop button right here for about 7 seconds. Then you'll see some motion here. And the printhead carrier stopped at the location where you can remove the printhead. So before, like, it was a little bit to the left and you wouldn't be able to remove the printhead. You could only remove ink cartridges. So now let's remove ink cartridges. This is what my problem is. I don't see any, or my printer's problem. There is no ink in the cartridges, so I need to replace those. But in order to remove the printhead, you'll need to just lift this front piece right here. So just go ahead and lift this. So you can grab it on right and left side, tilt it forward, and remove it. And this is our printhead for TS8020. The part number we can find on the side. And here it is. It's QY60090. So this is a good opportunity to either replace it for a new one or try cleaning it manually. And then putting it back into the printer is pretty simple. In a similar position or same position as we pulled it out there. Kind of like tilt it forward and place it back there. So once again, take on both sides, remove it that way, and then to put it back in, just kind of let it drop in there. Close this, make sure it's locked, and then close the top cover. When you close the top cover, it'll ask you for the ink cartridges. That means your printhead is accepted by the printer and ready to go. Go ahead and open the top cover, install ink cartridges, and you're ready to print again. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and have yourself a great day.